Hi everyone, my name is Hazel Anep Masinas from grade 11 Theology. Let's talk about computation of electronegativity. What is the electronegativity? Electronegativity, symbolized as X, is the tendency for an atom of a given chemical element to attract shared electrons when forming a chemical bond. An atom's electronegativity is affected by both its atomic number and the distance at which its valence electrons reside from the charged nucleus. For a simple word, electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons in a molecule. Large differences in electronegativity between atoms in a given molecule often cause the complete transfer of an electron from the unfilled outer shell of one atom to unfilled shell of another. Three types of electronegativity: oxygen, nitrogen, and chlorine. Oxygen, a substance that contains only one type of atom. Its official chemical symbol is O, and its atomic number is 8, which means that an oxygen atom has 8 protons in its nucleus. Oxygen is a gas at room temperature and has no color, smell, or taste. Oxygen is found naturally as a molecule. Nitrogen, non-metallic element of group 15 of the periodic table. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that is the most plentiful element in Earth's atmosphere and is a constituent of all living matter. Chlorine, chemical element, the second lightest member of the halogen elements or group 17 of the periodic table. Chlorine is a toxic, corrosive, greenish-yellow gas that is irritating to the eyes and to the respiratory system. Computation. Subtract the smaller electronegativity from the large one to find the difference. Example is, if we're looking at the molecule HF, we would subtract the electronegativity of hydrogen, 2.1, from fluorine, 4.0. 4.0 minus 2.1 is equal to 1.9. If the difference is below about 0.5, the bond is non-covalent. Types of electronegativity. Ionic bonds have difference in electronegativity of 1.7 and higher. Polar covalent bonds have difference in electronegativity of between 1.7 and 0.4. Covalent bonds have difference in electronegativity of 0.4 or lower.